Hi everybody, it's Darin Martineau. This is my wife Janae. I'm going to show you this effect. This is my variation of a Charles T. Jordan double prediction, also aka Di Vernon effect called up and down. And this is my little rendition of that. Okay, so I have some cards, right? And we're not going to show you the cards just yet because what I'd like you to do is we'd like you to take the Joker and I'd like you to go ahead and stab it anywhere you want, but face down. It's a free choice anywhere. Okay, is that fair?
Mm-hmm.
Now, we're going to turn it face up so we can mark the position there. And we're actually going to have you remember the card to the left and right of it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll show it to the monitor here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Now, take that card and turn it down, face down. Okay. Now you can see it's lost. Now, what I'm going to do is you're thinking of two cards, right?
Mm-hmm.
Try and see if we can figure out which two cards. But remember, I have a prediction.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So just give the cards a little mix like this. Mix, match, mismatch, mix. I want you to point to the Joker. Right there. Okay. Now, I want you to cut the pack. Cut it, please. Open up the prediction, please. And read it so everyone at home can hear. What does it say? And show it to me.
Okay, it says the Jack of Clubs is 5 cards down, and the 7 of Diamonds is 5 cards down.
The Jack of Clubs is 5 cards down, and the 7 of Diamonds is 5 cards down. Okay? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So if everything's right, we should have right here Jack of Clubs. Thank you.
Wow.
And that's what we call a double prediction. That's my little variation of a Charles T. Jordan